You are feeling tired, forget common everyday facts, and need help to perform simple tasks. Feeling lost is also a possibility. Know that you can take steps to deal with these symptoms, and you don't have to accept them as something inevitable. Hello everyone, I'm Anna. In this video I'll give my opinion about the supplement Fast Brain Booster. I'll tell you everything you need to know. How does it work? Does it work on all body types? How long should I use the supplement for? How to use it, and do I have any guarantee? I have some very important warnings, so pay attention. One relevant point of attention is to be very careful, because with the success of Fast Brain Booster, there are many fake products on the internet. But don't worry. I left the link to the official website right below, in the description of this video. So check it out after you finish watching this video. It will be quick and easy and you will make a safe purchase. A Yale University study has shown that one particular solution, if implemented, can significantly improve recall of words and names in just 1 month, designed to repair mental sharpness and give anyone who uses it the best mental alertness with enhanced memory and attention. But how is Fast Brain Booster different from other products? Well, one of the great advantages of Fast Brain Booster is its exclusive and high-quality formula, and it is the best treatment available. Brain Booster helps rebuild memory neurons and helps the brain get back to normal by replacing neurons and eliminating harmful germs. Within the first few days of use you will already feel more energetic and even happier and calmer. Fast Brain Booster also controls stress and depression. All the ingredients present in the supplement are carefully selected and combined to potentiate the brain health benefits 100% and return the sharp focus and perfect memory you once had. It has no unwanted side effects, making it safe for all people. This product contains a proprietary blend of 14 vitamins, natural premium ingredients such as ginkgo biloba leaf, St. John's wort, alpha-GPC, Bacopa monnieri leaf, lecithin and others, sourced from specific places like Africa, Asia, Northern Europe and even the world's largest rainforest in Brazil. Never again forget little things or words, or have them on the tip of your tongue, or lose keys, your wallet. Never again have to feel that nagging thought in the back of your mind that you won't be able to remember the simplest thing during a conversation, the face of your loved ones, or even make a fool of yourself. Instead, you will be a free man or woman who lives a beautiful and vivid life and enjoys every moment of it. If you are experiencing memory problems or learning difficulties, take steps now to quickly revitalize brain function, strengthen neural connections, and revive your memory retrieval abilities. Contrary to what many doctors may say, there are proven solutions to help improve memory and reduce dependence on others. After taking the first capsule of Fast Brain Booster, the process of nutrient absorption begins. First, they eliminate the toxic microbes that cause damage to the connection between neurons. Second, they nourish, repair those broken brain cells. Since they are 100% natural and have been selected for their purity, your body will begin to absorb them immediately. And the restoration of the link and the neuron healing process will begin immediately. All these nutrients are crucial for doing 2 things. First, they eliminate the toxic microbes that cause damage to the link between neurons. Secondly, they nourish and repair those broken brain cells. What I like most about the Fast Brain Booster supplement is that it is safe and healthy, with no negative side effects, and you don't have to worry about health problems. Fast Brain Booster has already helped thousands of people in many countries. It is impressive. Fast Brain Booster is safe because it has FDA-registered and GMP-certified facilities in the United States under clean and strict conditions. Fast Brain Booster has been tested in laboratories, is gluten-free, habit-forming, and does not contain any dangerous stimulants or dangerous toxins, since it is a natural product. All this means that there are no side effects or contraindications. Currently, Fast Brain Booster is distributed in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Spain, France, Germany, New Zealand, Australia, Ireland, and other countries. But how to use the Fast Brain Booster supplement? Brain Booster comes in the form of oral tablets, and each bottle covers a 30-day supply. The correct way to use this product is to consume one capsule with a tall glass of water every day to keep your memory working well and ensure safe results. However, take your treatment seriously, because if you don't, you will probably get frustrated, so keep in mind that every body reacts in a unique way and that the ingredients in Brain Booster are scientifically proven to have their greatest effect after 3 to 6 months, which is why it makes a lot of sense to start with the 3 or 6-pack. In terms of price, the 6-pack of Fast Brain Booster is the best option for a complete treatment. The more bottles you buy, the cheaper it becomes. In addition, it also has a 60-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. So, does Fast Brain Booster work? Well, many people are using the Brain Booster supplement with excellent results in high-level brain performance with no side effects, so yes, it is a safe product. I really hope I helped with this review. Be sure to access the site via the link in the description of this